Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's not easy to be a woman.
Welcome back to Tentic Salon.
Welcome to Tentic Salon. Today we have a baby shower organized by my colleagues at work.
What did you use?
We don't have any plans of organizing a baby shower of our own, but luckily my workmate, they wanted to throw a baby shower. Since it's my first and since I have a really good colleagues, so it started 12 o'clock, just before that I need to get ready. I already had a shower, we had a breakfast, and yeah, and my husband from another world is going to give a blow dry on my hair.
Another wall.
Yeah, you're from Lego World. He was building a Lego. He's so obsessed with the cameras. So my blow dry hair is already dry. Every time I wash my hair, it becomes very frizzy. See, very frizzy. So I need to straighten my hair a little bit just to be more organized. You know, I'm not going to work. I'm going to a celebration organized by my colleagues to me and my hubby and my baby. So just need to be more respectful, right? And this is something which my bestie gave it to me. It says it's usually good. It's made in Italy, but nice to put it on before you hit your hair with anything. This much. Before I expose my lovely frizzy hair with a straightener. This is how you do. This is before straightening my hair, but it looks okay. However, it can be quite frizzy because it's quite breezy outside. At the same time, it's cold, so I don't want it to be like poof, because my dress is also like very big and my tummy is extremely big. It's 33 weeks, guys. I'm actually really bad at doing these things, and plus I don't own any of this electric gadget like the stuff, the hair strainer and the hair dry blower, because this was given by my best friend Jenny, and the blow dryer was also given by one of my friend who is in Paris now. She gave it to me when I was in India, and she used to work in a beauty salon. So everything was gifted, and I don't own any of this because I don't know how to buy this. I mean, like, I know how to buy this, but I don't know how to choose the right one, and I don't really do this much, only once in a while. And look at my hair. My natural hair is growing, and look at this white hair. I've got a lot of white hairs now, gray hairs, and this was the color which I've done last year in September when we went to India from the Tet salon. Actually their service was quite good, but I had a really bad experience with my eye because I was wearing contact lens, and then we got off the plane, had breakfast, and right after that I went for the hair treatment and the coloring. So I don't know, the coloring really impacted on my lens, and then I was like, what do I say? My eyes was turning red, and then I just had to interrupt them in the middle of the session, just keep on going to the bathroom, wash my eyes, and then take off the lens, and I was unable to see clearly what they were doing because I didn't have the eyeline, the contact lens, and I was blind. To be honest, I'm not blind actually. Without lens, I can still see, but long distance I can't, so that's the problem. Anyway, this is how it is after straining. So let me show you the outcome of my husband's Lego. This is how it looks. This is the camera. Is it 3D or what? 3D.
Huh?
3D re.
Can you see?
3D ro ra.
Can you touch it a little bit?
Me, zero idea. So this is what he has built. It's so cute, the camera. Now the number of collection of camera that he has at home is like
Going up.
up. We going up with
Yeah,
Lego camera.
little bit.
So it's very cute. Where did you get this, Aldi? From Aldi. So cute, like the mini retro camera. This is how it is, and then there we go.
They sent you some extra parts too.
Okay guys, so I've just finished. Oh well, my hair was done half an hour ago. I just needed a nap. I was so tired after doing my hair. And then this is the dress color that we found. If you remember last time I said I was going to go and hunt for a dress. First time when I went out with my sister, I couldn't find anything. So the other time when I had day off, I went to the Chermside Shopping Center to the store called iFashion. They have got really good sales. So I got this dress for like 50% off. I'll stand up. So with him, he has pink, but the pink is the size small, so it doesn't look really comfortable on him. So he's gonna wear the
Mutual.
white one, because everybody, all my other employees, they're gonna wear white, and then I'm supposed to be wearing pink, which I chose because I've got so many pink clothes, and it's a baby girl, so I wanted to wear pink, but unfortunately none of my pink dresses fits me. So I've got this one. It's very bulky, but it's okay. Something that I got at least. Oh my god, it's so tiring. And what I was gonna do is I'm gonna change my earring and everything. And this is a nice bracelet, which I got it for my belated birthday from my friend. This is Swarovski. Oh my god, because on my birthday I really wanted something like that, but then my husband and I, we were unable to find the one that I want, so I decided like I better not spend on this kind of stuff, because these are not needed. These are just, ladies, you know what I mean. So I got this for my birthday, as if she heard my, it's so cute, as if she heard what I want. Can you put this on me, please?
Just gonna wear rhino.
Yeah, I was gonna say the same. This one. It is so pretty. And then I was just gonna wear matching earring and the
Logo.
just like that. It's like this. So cute. Oh my god, so pretty. I just love this. This really matches my clothes. It's like rose pink. And this is my, so see, it's the Swarovski. It's a gift from my friend for my birthday. And the next one is, this is a very special ring that I have. It's the gold and the diamond, the actual one. So this is one piece that I have, like the actual stuff. So for the special occasion, I'm gonna wear this. It's a very tiny one, but everything matches, and why not? Okay. Yep. This is how it is. Just with my necklace, please. And the necklace and the earring, they go along really well. See, so this is how it is. The necklace. Yeah, you can just do it. As you can see that with this dress, everything looks so bulky, like so big, so huge, so it's kind of uncomfortable. Actually, everything is uncomfortable. Any kind of clothes, the position, the seating, the lying, and everything is so uncomfortable nowadays. Because baby will be coming soon in about 7 weeks. So yeah, yep, that's it. So that's all I got, and this is not the matching ring, but this is the promise ring that he gifted me last time. And oh yeah, outfit check. Takoya din gyoter. Kotolo gyoter.
가운데 뜻 뭔지.
Kawan ngombo chash ko thande ngombo dei lasya. Ta tharba midda. Hi everyone, Changmolong on your YouTube channel de la peola chimji test de la changme thangbu thangi ta kyunju dingin gi video shun ju tong yoria thangbu ni jige in do ro ga chara. Ni do ro chimsi. Kajlana video konju gi ल्या신 니 하신 이제 subscribe 저 건데 디스타 인지간으로 쇠다로 레이도 아이네 안 다다 디 믹스 기 레로 냠도라 온데 인지간 소로 삼스타라야 좋아지면 인지간으로 레이라 좋아지면 돼요 온데 얘는 못으니다
짬도 민도서.
또 못으니들라 또 단단히 줘대야 되네 봐 주중이라 고주리야 제가 주지다 가면 니 쉬리시 되네 봐 가면 니 쉬스나래 되셔 밀ten나 사자다 참고 그런 줄 알기 담겨려 오늘은 달로 당연히 베이비 샤워도 다 믹스기 차시로 케메야 믹스기 차시로 케메 아니 중나 맞추는 맞추는 사메셔다 젠더 리빌 디 로번 안구라 콘조기 다리 초라 차라 딱 봐오래 답 야니 레아치 선조기 인짐지 베이비 샤워 당기 라스야 미기 주당기 라나다 인다이라 아니 콘조기 상과 다리 쇼다 디와기 제당도 인지 누가 제당 조 가리실라나 사제직 북체 안디 나올라 미창마 좀다 좀에디 조로 차사 안디마도 더 조선상마 수수제리야 당한 주도에 베네시션 저기 호시와 나더라 조선상마 주디라 인디다 대와기 도당 쇼라 온디로 창마다 수수수수 보기는 체인에 점점 치하고 진대시다 온디
이제 사과되어 좀서나.
사관되어 좀서 샤바야 나한테어 좀다 인데이라 창마 수수기 디치라
남도 bring a plate leather. 딜러좀 봐. 소소 칼라직 저 스킬레.
sharing chedo야
냠도니.
let not this
정말 빌딕샤는 미수 젤라 소소 칼레레로죠. 사과나도 좀서나네 콘조딜레가 하라. 콘조 상만 상만 소소 제다. 소소 칼라 소소 데니 소소 베일 하우도 제 니바든 파지티브 체오네 체니 소소 칼라 베사 소소 데 러시다.
다 남기 딱 빨리 내가 지킨 두라 저거 친구인데 통 같아 저거다 엄마 안 되시나서 친구를 통이 말이야 다들 내 드레스 견 드레스 나 여친구 통기다 아니 내가 뒤에래
고스 말다?
아니
이 소크구나.
아니 그 디스트릭트스 디 근데 이게 나 드레스 견 거라 아니 정말 친구들 오늘 디 섭대디 간데면 통기다 혼자 계셔리다 남기 다 타이밍도 레이다 계속 부친지다 지지 상마서 뭐가 6시라고야 타이밍도 레이도 치다 단다 수천부 통계도야
서프라이즈 되자.
당제 수계자도 닝지도 로직 좋아져서 수의제라 갈래가는 니 쇼로 치도야 니 후어도더라 추주심다 야란 잘라야 되셔 근데 역시 들으시대 선스크린다 저기 추 마스카라도 좋아지는 시리스케 통하는 놈인도야 안저 다 보모에 옛날에나 근데 진짜 당연히 드신 저희 안펠리라 인동 가족여도 겨워라이네 다 쉬우셔도 하면서요 근데 요즘에 아니 등등 치고
안데베바 지바고 콤송살레 이 우주 정의 대신 쪽에
My God.
It's not a lot.
This one.
Yeah,
on
yeah.
the table you can do
Yeah,
it.
maybe if we just stick like few little things here, is that okay? Yeah, lovely. Thank you so much.
Oh my God.
ETA 4 days. That's okay. ETA 4 days.
Here comes the bride. Here comes the bride.
This is my pink. Really good, fourth time.
Daddy to be.
Is it the same one? And it's not a Christmas dinner. So yeah.
Sari has back first the croissant, and then here to her gold. What do you call it? Oh, you do it.
No, you do it, mommy. It's funny. Shy girl, you know.
Oh, the hand cream. Oh, very Sarah. How Karachi? Oh.
Are you doing a bad grade? Some very naughty person, naughty person. We say that because we're jealous of the
Ta-da!
It's important. I always tell her I do
It's a school pencil.
A crayon.
That's all we have in Sarita's box.
Get it?
Hello, I'm doing a video. I know this is Deepa. Oh, hi. Very Sarita. Everybody here.
I left my chair and looked right and left and found an acquaintance that looked very familiar to me. On my left,
Left, other left, other left.
right then, we decided to play a game.
Thank you.
Now when you open it, don't look over because there's a cow there.
Oh, yeah, we've got to look after the cows. Absolutely look after the cows.
Just try with it. I'll be okay.
Only the cows? The horse is okay?
The horses are,
Just the cows are retained.
yeah, the pigs are fine, the horses are fine.
Oh, it's a brand new iPhone.
Cover.
Nicely
So it's a mysterious box.
Ready?
Ooh! Thank you. Oh, read it.
Read it.
No, you read it.
Okay. Our family fills our life with happiness and laughter, leaving us with memories to treasure forever. Thank you. Thank you, Debbie.
Happy baby shower to you. Clap, clap, people.
He's the one next to you.
1 year anniversary.
1 year anniversary.
Awesome.
Good job.
20 years.
Is it 20 all of us?
Got a baker here.
The cake.
Can share.
당아서 베이비 샤워 찼어요. 베이비 샤워 찼어요. 여기 주스. 이제 organize 하고 비치셔. 내가 님이 니슈락 센들레시. 아니 장마기 님제 케이크 뭐가저 디쇼 시엔줄 거의 케이크 베이크다. 케이크 스웨샤 커피 케이크야. 딜레스 디카페일스야. 디카페 커피 flavor की केक स्वेशा आणि दादा क्यों शूज लेकिन जो वीडियो क्यों छुई हो रे भाई चुजो अटेस्टन चुजो हम चुजो सुमा बद बुक चेदा तक तो चुजो सुमा सिमा कामा चुदिया आणि तक छाव गया गो चुसो चांगो छानी आणि चांगलो तुजना 근데 부 쓰시 나와 आणि 지밀렌스나 양게 제용 boy your stuff just